Hey, welcome to day 5 of JavaScript question. Today we will be solving apply transformations over each element in an array. Given an integer array and a mapping function, return a new array with the transformations applied to each element. The returned array should be created such that the returned array of I equals to the value returned by the mapping function. For example, we have an input array 1 to 3 and a mapping function that returns n plus 1. So we get the output 2, 3 and 4. Also, it says solve it without using array.map function. Why? Because they want you to learn about the map function internal working. So let's start. First of all, we need to create an empty transformed array. So let's create it. Now we will loop over the input array. So for each element, we will call the mapping function, and the value we get from the mapping function, we will store it to the transformed array. And in the end, we will return the transformed array. So let's submit it. And it works. Thanks for watching. Follow for more such content. See ya.